Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will let you know how you can boost up the economy with the recycling of plastic bottles. Rinse the plastic bottle and remove the cap and label. Empty the bottle if it contained water. For other liquids, fill the bottle pathway with water. Put the cap back on, shake it around a bit and then empty the bottle. Then ensure your bottle is ready to be recycled with similar plastic by removing any additional caps, labeling or seals. Recycle plastic bottles with the number 1 or 2 on the bottom. Plastics with number 1 or 2 are the easiest and most commonly recyclable, meaning they can likely be taken by any recycling company. Use a curbside recycling service if you can. In most communities, nearby recycling centers offer curbside pickup services. These services require you to fill a designated bin or color-coded trash can with recyclable materials. Drop your plastic bottles off at the recycling center as an alternative. If curbside pickups don't stop in your neighborhood, no problem. Look into where the nearest recycling center is located. Take your plastic to a buyback center if there's one in your area. Some states will pay you for your plastic bottles and or jugs. Check your bottles for the label or stamp cash refund or CRV. Plastic bottles are processed and turned into new items. After you send your plastic bottles off to a recycling center, they are cleaned and sorted into like materials. Recycling helps improve the environment and the economy. When you recycle, you help conserve natural resources and energy, which in turn reduces the need to use other resources to make new products and minimize waste. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.